Hoover RV Oasis, LaMarque, Texas. Checking out the vibe.
Yeah, it is. Not bad.
It's nicely landscaped. It is right on the interstate, but it's also convenient. This is what a site looks like. Table, palm trees, and your hookups. Our little table here. Right here is right by the interstate, but you'd have no neighbors. Everybody wants to be back there.
Playing music loud.
This could work. This could be the RV life that we have been going back and forth about for months now. And this canal down here. Bring the GoPro down, drop it in, see what kind of fish are in there. Then they have an RV service center and wash, I believe, and propane filling station right on site here. Nice property. Looks like it's well maintained. Highland Bayou Park is literally right next to the RV resort. That's like a definite bonus. Now within the Highland Bayou Park, we also came across Big State RV Park, so we decided to take a look in there. It was nice and pretty well maintained as well. We weren't as impressed with it as we were with Ron Hoover, but it's the cool little park. And as always, thanks for watching the video. If you liked our content, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side.